Uh, Hello friends. Now let us see uh, this type of problem where the two spheres touch each other externally and or internally. So there are two cases now as shown in this figure. Here the situation that two spheres are touching each other externally, and here the situation is that they are touching internally. Now how you will identify this? Okay, so suppose the one sphere has center C1 and radius R1, second sphere has center C2, radius with R2. So sphere 1 center is C1, radius is R1, and sphere 2 center is C2 and radius is R2. Okay, now you can easily look at these two coordinates C1 and C2. If you calculate the distance between these two points, okay, and if the distance is the addition of R1 and R2, okay, the two spheres they intersect or they touch each other externally. That means the condition is that distance between C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2, right? And if they touch internally, then what is the condition? The condition is that the difference between these two, okay, C1 C2, okay, C1 C2, this distance must be the difference between R1 and R2. So distance between C1 C2 must be the difference between R1 and R2, right? So by using these two conditions, you can easily determine whether the two spheres are touching externally or internally. Okay, we can take one example for this, where we can actually find out whether they are internally or externally touching each other. So these are the two conditions. Okay, please note this: C1 and C2 are the centers of the two spheres. Okay, so let us take one example. X square. So sphere 1 is given as x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 4z equal to 0. Okay, so this is equation number 1, I say, and sphere 2 is given as x square plus y square plus z square plus 10x plus 2z plus 10 equal to 0. Fine, so these are the two equations of two spheres are given. So now comparing these two equations with the standard form, you can observe that u is equal to here minus 1 for sphere 1, v is equal to 2, w is equal to minus 2, and d equal to 0. Okay, similarly from equation 2, u is equal to 5, v is equal to 1, v is equal to 0, and w is equal to 1, and d equal to 10. Right? Okay. So the center C1 is 1 comma minus 2 comma 2, and C2 is minus 5 0 minus 1. Right? And the radius of sphere 1 will be R1 equal to under root of 1 plus 4 plus 4 minus 0, that is equal to 3, and R2 is equal to under root of 25 plus 1 minus 10, that is equal to 4. Right? Okay. Now what we will do is we will calculate distance between C1 and C2. So distance between C1 and C2 by using distance formula is given by, so distance C1 C2 is equal to under root of, okay, minus 5 minus 1 bracket square plus 0 plus 2 bracket square plus minus 1 minus 2 bracket square. Right? It's a simple distance formula. So that is equal to under root of, this is 36 plus 4 plus 9. So it is 7. Okay. And now you see that distance between C1 C2 is exactly equal to R1 plus R2. As this is 3 plus 4 7 and this distance is 7. So what it means? It means that these two spheres, they touch externally to each other. So sphere 1 and sphere 2 touch externally.